the Honorable Minister of Education, ably represented by the Senior Director of the Ministry of Education here today, distinguished officials of the Federal Ministry of Education, esteemed educators and stakeholders, fellow youth leaders, I stand before you today as we commemorate Commonwealth Day 2026. Allow me to conclude by saying this: the future of the Commonwealth will not be determined by the resources we possess, but by the young minds we educate. And seated here today are the future innovators, leaders, policymakers, scientists, and change makers who will shape not only Nigeria, but the entire Commonwealth. So go forward with confidence, learn boldly, think critically, lead courageously. Use your education as the master key to unlock opportunities, not only for yourselves, but for Nigeria and the entire Commonwealth.